Hello, there's something I like to share about looking after oneself. As a Reiki healer, we give, of course, freely and hopefully from all one's heart and with lots of love and compassion. And what is important too is to look after ourselves. So if you haven't done it yet, it's a wonderful thing to do a Reiki share. I decided to do this together with a friend who lives nearby, and she's like me, she's a Reiki teacher, and we decided to exchange Reiki. So once a month she's giving me a Reiki treatment, and then the next month, so the alternative months, we give each other a Reiki treatment, because we give and give and give, and it's equally important to also to receive. Of course, as a Reiki healer, you all know, the same time when we give the healing, we also receive it, which is great benefit, isn't it? But to have a proper Reiki session, as in receiving by someone else, it's just entirely different. It's just more focused, of course, and very concentrated, if that's the right word. And so I just thought I'd share this because this might inspire you to do this, and it's nice also to do it in a group together with a number of people. And but if you can't do Reiki share, just remember to do frequently treatments on yourself daily if possible, even if it's just a few minutes. Look after yourself because it's important, it's very important. I personally experience it's easier to give if you nurture yourself and look after yourself, because obviously if there's a lack of our own well-being, how can we give if we're not well, basically? So that's really it. I guess you get the gist of this message. Look after yourself and experience the Reiki for yourself, and then you can give the more, even the better, and it will be easier too. There's some words of wisdom from Albert Einstein. We all love Albert Einstein. He says, "Our task must be to give oneself by widening our circle of compassion, to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature and its beauty." Bless you, Albie. He's just so amazing, isn't he? This man is just total genius, but so much love too, and compassion and kindness. He's like amazing. I'm learning a lot from him. Thanks a lot for listening and for tuning in. Lots of love to all of you. Take good care. Bye.